So this question asks, which modifier indicates a bilateral procedure? And then we have 4 different answer options, each of which is a modifier, which is represented by a 2-digit number. But first of all, quickly, what is a bilateral procedure? Well, a bilateral procedure is a procedure that affects both sides of the body. So imagine having surgery on both of your hands, both of your eyes, both of your feet, etc. A procedure that affects both sides. So each of these 4 2-digit numbers represents a modifier, one of which indicates a bilateral procedure, and the other modifiers indicate something else. So let's go through these quickly one at a time. First of all, we can start with A, minus 22, which is not our correct answer. This modifier indicates increased procedural surfaces and not a bilateral procedure. So A is not correct. Then we have B, minus 50, and this is indeed our correct answer. Minus 50 is the modifier that indicates a bilateral procedure. Simple as that. But let's cover these other modifiers just to make sure we understand. We next have C, which is minus 51, which is of course incorrect. And this is because this modifier indicates multiple procedures. So again, the A minus 22 represents increased procedural services, whereas C minus 51 is for multiple procedures. Then lastly, we have D minus 59, which again is also not correct, and that's because it indicates distinct procedural services. So it is B minus 50, that is the correct modifier that indicates a bilateral procedure. The correct answer is B.